Hey guys, this is a quick video that I wanted to throw out there just in case anybody was interested on how we did our beach at our lake lot and the floating dock that we installed. We had to install a floating dock at this lot because the bottom of the lake, or the bay as they call it, is super mucky. So you can see prior to us installing the floating dock, there was a deck that somebody tried to install with augers and almost like a telephone pole type wood piles, and it completely failed. And we knew when we bought the lot that we were going to have to do something new to keep some boats out there, and we wanted to make it nice because eventually we built a house on this lot and wanted to make sure we had a good spot to keep boats. So I hope you guys enjoy. Check it out. Thanks. Got all this here. It's looking like there might be water under there, which is going to be unfortunate. This is coming out in a minute here. So we'll see. Hopefully I don't get this thing stuck. Got that pile all cleaned up though. Looking a lot better. Not quite sure how big this dump trailer is, but it basically filled up the whole thing. A couple more scoops and then go dump. So here's what we got going on here. Trying to not make a mess. But it's deep down here. We got about half of it ripped out. Trying to stay as clean as I can. The rest of this. So it actually dropped off pretty deep right there. So at the edge of that deck where it used to exist, the water was about 3 feet deep. So not wanting to sink a machine, I decided to get as much as I could with this one, and then I came back later with an excavator and a thumb to finish the job off. This is the product that we use for the floating dock. You can see here there's two 4x20 sections, and then it has 6 floats under it. And I really recommend doing the 8-foot wide like we did here. It makes that dock a lot more stable. One of those sections will work, but it tends to be pretty tippy. So I definitely recommend going for the 8 feet wide. And then you can also see here we use composite decking in 8-foot sections, which worked out perfect. We then laid some fabric down and covered it all with sand. There's about 5 truckloads of sand here. The lot was way too low in that area, so I built it up with the sand as best as I could. So this is the finished product. We're super happy with how it came out. You can see the two 4-inch posts that you put on the one side of the dock right there. and we pushed them in with the skid steer, and it seems to hold the dock in just fine. Thanks for watching.